I'm going to show you how to find the value of x in this equation here. So the equation that we've been given is 25 to the power of 2 minus x equals 5 to the power of 2x plus 1. So what I need to do in this question is make sure that both sides of the equation are written with the same base number. So I'm going to use the base number 5 and rewrite 25 as 5 squared instead, as then we can equate their powers and solve to find x, okay? So my first step is to replace 25 with 5 squared. Remember, you're raising this to the power of 2 minus x. And the right-hand side of the equation just stays as it is. Then we can use the rules of indices here. Remember, when you have a power inside the bracket and a power outside the bracket, you have to multiply those powers together. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So we have 5 to the power of 4. And 2 multiplied by negative x is negative 2x. Okay, so the new power is 4 minus 2x, okay? And this is still equal to 5 to the power of 2x plus 1. So now we have the same base number on both sides of the equation, which means these powers have to equal each other. So now the equation just becomes 4 minus 2x equals 2x plus 1. And now we solve this equation for x. Okay, so I'm going to put my x terms on one side of the equation and non-x terms on the other. So I'm going to move my x terms over to the right-hand side and my non-x terms over to the left-hand side. Okay, so if we look at the left-hand side first, we have 4 that's still here. If we're moving positive 1 over to the left, it's like subtracting 1, so we're minusing 1 on the left. On the right-hand side, we still have 2x. And then when we move this negative 2x over to the right-hand side, it's like adding 2x to both sides. So I must add 2x. And now I'm going to simplify. So 4 take away 1 is 3. 2x plus 2x is 4x. And then the last step here to work out the value of x is to divide both sides by 4. So if I divide the left-hand side by 4, we have 3/4. And on the right-hand side, if we divide 4 by 4, we just get 1. So we're left with 1x. And so that is the answer. Okay, so x is 3/4. You could also write it as a decimal, 0.75. That is fine as well.